Do you want to automate tasks between HubSpot and other apps? N8N makes it easy. In this video, you'll learn how to connect N8N to HubSpot and start building powerful workflows fast. First, you'll need a HubSpot developer account or access to one with API permissions. Now, go to your HubSpot settings and generate a private app token. This token is essential for authenticating N8N with HubSpot's API. When you have the token, head to N8N, add new credentials for HubSpot, select the authentication type, paste in the token, and test the connection. If it works, you're ready to move on. Now, in N8N, you need to create a new workflow. Start with a trigger. It could be a webhook, a schedule, or even a manual start if you're just testing. Then add the HubSpot node. Choose the resources you want to work with, contacts, companies, deals, and pick the operation. Create, update, get, or search. Configure the parameters and use the credentials you saved earlier. Now, you want to test the integration. Run the workflow. If everything's set up correctly, N8N will talk to HubSpot and execute the action. You should see the response from HubSpot right away. If there's an error, double-check your token and endpoint settings. Use the debug panel to inspect the output and refine your node settings as needed. Once connected, the possibilities are wide open. Sync form submissions from your website to HubSpot, auto-create deals with lead capture tools, trigger follow-up emails after a contact is created. You can also chain HubSpot actions with tools like Google Sheets, Slack, Airtable, and more. No code required. That's it. You're not connected. N8N gives you control, flexibility, and open source power to do with HubSpot without depending on clunky third-party automations. Build smarter, automate better. Thanks for watching.